With the Tesla app, you can control and monitor your Tesla vehicles from anywhere in the world as long as your phone and vehicle have connectivity. To access your products, download the Tesla app and sign into your account. View your vehicle's charge level, access incoming messages, and enable vehicle controls from the home screen. Tap the menu icon to see your account information and payment settings. Customize your quick controls by pressing and holding to reveal your controls menu, then dragging your desired feature into the controls bar. Select Controls to see additional vehicle controls, such as your vehicle's tire pressures and remote start. Tap Climate to view and monitor climate settings. Adjust your cabin to your desired temperature, access seat and steering wheel climate settings, and enable additional climate modes like dog mode. Open Location to see where you and your vehicle are on a map. Tap here for directions to your vehicle, or here to see nearby chargers. Tap on a charger pin to see the number of available stalls and nearby amenities. You can also send directions to a location directly to your Tesla vehicle's navigation from the app. If your vehicle is equipped with Summon, you can control it from the app. Move your vehicle forward or backward out of tight spots, or have your vehicle drive directly to you. Select Schedule to set a charging and preconditioning schedule at home or at frequent locations like work. When your car is charging, you can also set your charge limit and charge flow from the home screen. Tap Security and Drivers to review saved dashcam clips. View live camera with Sentry mode. Toggle on valet or speed limit mode. Add drivers to your vehicle, and more. See how much you're spending and saving from charging by tapping Charge Stats. Total energy used and total dollars spent on that energy show at the top. Open Upgrades to explore software upgrades such as full self-driving supervised, vehicle accessories, and more. Schedule mobile service and service at service centers by selecting Service and following the prompts. You can also ask a question, view video guides like this one, or review the owner's manual for your Tesla. If you are ever in need of roadside assistance while on the road, tap Roadside to request assistance and get in touch with 24/7 support. We'll text you updates so you can monitor progress in the app. Scroll to the bottom of the home screen to find your vehicle's mileage, current software version, and release notes from your most recent over-the-air software update.